Happy birthday, my look-alike. Here's a present from all of us. You're the best.
Everyone on Glockton Island is celebrating today. What did you wish for?
Congratulations.
I'm so happy for you. I hope you get lots of presents. I already can't wait for your party next year.
This is so fun. Yay for you.
Are you having the best day ever?
How does it feel to be 24?
Hello and welcome to the morning edition of Mii News. Noel turned 24 today. Here's footage of the birthday celebration coming to you live from the Glockton Hotel.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la, dear Noel. La 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 la. Congrats. Congrats. Thanks. Woohoo.
We asked some islanders for their thoughts on the matter. It's as if Noel used to be a completely different person.
Don't forget to thank your parents.
Thanks for watching. For your 7 o'clock Mii News, this is Elizabeth Cherryville, signing off.
Is that you, my look-alike? I can't recall the last time we talked. So, today is my birthday. Here, I want you to have this.